All right, in this video, we're going to talk about how to create a warranty invoice and how to process an authorization in DX1. So here we have a repair order. I've already done the work estimate. I've already converted it to a repair order. And so let's walk through the process. The first part is I've given it a job title warranty, so don't be confused by that. But in order to make a job warranty, it's pretty simple. I'm going to come over here and toggle this to on. In this case, I don't have a warranty payment set up as I don't do my accounting, but you wouldn't see that pop up. All right. So once I hit save, I've officially now made my job a warranty. And when I do that, I can see over here that I have a warranty tab that I didn't have before. And here's where I can enter in some of my warranty information and I'm going to need to file my claim and eventually get authorization, again, depending on the particular manufacturer I'm dealing with. So here I could set what my warranty payment is for the particular vehicle, what my job total is, the amount I'm authorized for. Maybe I'm authorized for 536.72 because I have $100 deductible. I may not have an authorization number at this moment. I don't have an authorization date, but here's where I could set some information. I can also add in some detailed notes related to the warranty. I could add in a failure part number if I wanted to, a description, job codes, defect codes, a note if I wanted to. Again, now once I save that information, I can also print my warranty information here for my repair order quickly, but now that it's a warranty job, I can see that information there. Also, depending on the manufacturer, you might be able to check warranty coverage. We've seen with different manufacturers, you can do that. With Polaris or BRP in this place, I'm not a production dealer, so I can't see the information from BRP, but it would have shown me that information there. Okay, so at this point, I've made my job a warranty. I know what my information is. I've gone in and I've got some parts. Everything I got, I completed. You notice here, now that I've toggled stuff to warranty, all my tax information has been zeroed out because at this point, this is a warranty job. And all I have to do now at this point is just like a regular RO is come over. I need to assign a technician, put some actual worked hours. I can save those. As I'd mentioned many times, I recommend using the completed toggle. Now on this one, this is an important part to remember about warranty jobs is that you cannot complete a warranty without an authorization number. So when you come down here, you can enter in the authorization number. And now when I go to cashier out, I will see one that I'm owed $100 from my deductible. So I can take that from the customer and I can go ahead and I can hit my complete sell. And that is simply how I take an RO, set it to warranty, and then I can process the warranty information that I have. I can enter in an authorization number, assign hours, take a payment if I need to for a deductible. If there's no deductible, wouldn't have to take a payment, and I can simply hit complete sell. And that's the process of creating an RO, turning it into a warranty, and completing it.